Elon Musk's wealth, it has lifted off and how SpaceX valuation has rocketed him past $600 billion. This has sent Musk's net worth soaring by nearly $167 billion in a single move. Yes, Mom.
3, 2, 1, engines full power, and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Enroll 77.
As this SpaceX rocket tears free from Earth's gravity, Elon Musk's fortune is doing the same. A fresh sky-high valuation for SpaceX, set at about $800 billion in a new insider share sale, making it the world's most valuable private company, has ignited the biggest single-day wealth surge on record, blasting Musk's net worth up by roughly $167 billion to nearly $638 billion, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. In one launch leap, the Starbase math has turned Musk into a man worth well over $600 billion, blowing past every record in the history of money, to the financial equivalent of reaching orbit while everyone else is still stuck on the launch pad. That one re-rating alone has added well over $150 billion to his fortune, catapulting his net worth past the $600 billion mark and towards $638 billion on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. But the rocket fuel is not only rockets. Musk still owns a roughly low teens percentage of Tesla, whose shares have bounced this year and added tens of billions of dollars to his wealth on paper. Layer on his stakes in his artificial intelligence startup xAI in X, now chasing lofty funding valuations, and Musk's empire is a concentrated bet on three of the most powerful themes of this decade: electric cars, commercial space, and artificial intelligence. SpaceX repricing has acted like a financial moonshot, while Tesla's recovery, plus rising expectations around xAI, has turned Musk into a half-trillionaire and then some. In barely a decade, Musk has gone from a $2 billion entrepreneur to the richest person the modern world has ever seen. The latest leap, about $167 billion in one night, is among the biggest wealth creation events ever tied to a single person's bindings. Bloomberg's Billionaire Index now shows Musk sitting on the $638 billion, more than double the combined fortunes of several of the names directly below him. The Google co-founders are at numbers 2 and 3, while tech billionaires Jeff Bezos and Larry Ellison complete the top 5 list. If SpaceX does list near the valuations now being talked about, potentially up to around $1.5 trillion in some scenarios, Musk's stake alone could be worth well over $600 billion just in that one company. Add even modest future gains in Tesla and a successful AI run-up. The market mathematicians are already sketching a realistic path to Elon becoming the world's first trillionaire. For now, Musk is not just the richest person alive. He's in a weight class of his own. One man and a cluster of companies riding electric cars, reusable rockets, and artificial intelligence has bent the global wealth curve around himself, and the countdown to the world's first trillionaire has well and truly started. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.